People wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So I have to say something briefly about Oblique Seville, man. I was feeling so good last night. I'm still feeling good today to know that we have a fourth place finisher in the men's 100-meter final. To me, that's goal because it has been such a long drought. We have been hoping that another Jamaican athlete would take up the slot after Bolt retires. And here comes Oblique. Oblique went to Calabar, but he wasn't a standout athlete. I guess he came on the radar for a lot of Jamaicans after he competed at the Tokyo Olympic Games, where he was a semi-finalist. So Oblique seems to be the one to take up the slot, and his coach is former Usain Bolt's coach, Glenn Mills. So I guess he is in the right hand. Oh my God, I love everything about this youth. He's only 21, he's young. I love the fact that he's not afraid of the big names out there. He just line up right beside them and he just ran his own race to the best of his ability. Just love that about him. I just love his confidence level. It's really high, and I hope that he continues on that same path with the guidance of Glenn Mills. I know he will give us some medals at the Olympics that will take place in France, in Paris, if God's willing. Yo, there was a lot of noises in my house last night. Imagine that, and it's only fourth place, but we are so happy for him. And listen, we are so hungry to have a athlete representing Jamaica to the highest standard in 100-meter that we made so much noises for a fourth place finisher. And I'm so happy for that. Oblique, big up yourself. Seville clock 9.97 seconds. The finish behind winner Fred Curley, who clocked 9.86 seconds to take the goal. The United States made a clean sweep of the medals as Marvin Bracey took silver in 9.88 seconds and Travon Brammel the bronze also in 9.88 seconds. So the US got their broom, their sweep, as they were all clamoring for. Big up on ourselves, hoping that we will, be able to use our broom later to sweep as well in the women's 100-meter final. Yeah, man. The broom is about to paint in the black, the green, and the gold colors. It's gonna lean up in the sun to dry. Hoping that we can use it later to sweep the streets. One thing I can tell you about us Jamaicans who are living in Jamaica now, when it comes to big championship, we extra bad. Pad cover, broom a sweep. Listen, the last Olympics where we have the sweep. You know what I see the street. It was on TikTok. Listen, you know what I see the street them. You know what I see people turn out with the broom. Listen, my broom about to paint here, black, green, and gold. May I go sweep the street later. Hopefully keeping my fingers crossed. Yeah, man. So I hope we don't get any surprises. Trust me, come on, use a broom then, man. A new broom now, new broom sweep clean. Even though old broom know the corners, but a new broom we are use and sweep. You understand? Yeah, man. It is so nice. I just love sport. So entertaining, especially when we have elite athletes in the competition. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself.